Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let us go for the next problem, next type of problem. If A is equal to he has given the matrix 1 1 minus 1 2 0 3 3 minus 1 2 of order 3 cross 3. B is equal to 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4 of order 3 cross 2, and C is equal to 1 2 3 minus 4 2 0 minus 2 1. Find A of BC comma AB of C and show that AB into C is equal to A into BC or A of BC. So let us write the given. Write the given. A he has given. A is 1 1 minus 1 2 0 3 3 minus 1 2. Then he has given B 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4. Then he has given C 1 2 3 minus 4 2 0 minus 2 1. This is C. So let us find AB of C. Let us find first AB. Let us take A 1 1 minus 1 2 0 3 3 minus 1 2. Then B, it is B 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4. So let us multiply. You know how to multiply the two matrices. First row should be multiplied with first column. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Then 1 into 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So first row, second column. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Then second row, first column. 2 into 1 is 2. 0 into 0 is 0. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Second row, second column. 2 into 3 is 6. 0 into 2 is 0. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 12. Third row, first column. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Third row, second column. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 2 into 4 is 8. So let us simplify this one. Add 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 12 is 18. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So we got the AB. We got AB. So AB is multiplied with C. AB is multiplied with C. Let us write the AB here. 2 1 minus 1 18 1 15. This is an AB. Now let us take C. What is in C? 1 2 3 minus 4, then 2 0 minus 2 1. This is in C. So let us multiply AB with C. So first row is multiplied with first column. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 is 2. First row, second column. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 0 is 0. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. First row, fourth column. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. 1 into 1 is plus 1. Now let us go for the second row, first column. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 18 into 2 is plus 36. 18 to the 36. Then second row, second column. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 18 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 18 into minus 2 is minus 36. Minus then second row, fourth column. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. 18 into 1 is 18. So next third row, first column. 1 into 1 is 1. 15 into 2 is 30. 1 into 2 is third row, second column. 1 into 2 is 2. 15 into 0 is 0. 1 into 3 is 3. 15 into minus 2 is minus 30. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. 15 into 1 is 15. So let us add and subtract here. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. Then minus 1 plus 36 means 35. Then minus 2. Then minus 39. Then 22. Then 31. Then 2. Then minus 27. Then here 11. So this is the A of B, A of C. Let us consider as 1. Now let us take the A into BC. A into BC, in that let us find first BC. Let us take BC. What is B? 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. So this is the B. Let us take the C. 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. This is the C. I have taken B and C. Let us multiply. First row should be multiplied with first column. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 2 is plus 6. First row, second column. 1 into 2 is 2. 3 into 0 is 0. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. 3 into 1 is 3. 0 into 1 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. Second row, second column. 0 into 2 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 into 3 is 3. 0 into 3 is 0. 2 into 2 is minus 4. 0 into minus 4 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2. So next third row, first column. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 4 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 3. 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 1 into 4 is plus 4. 4 into 1 is 4. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 1. Then 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. Minus 1 plus 8 is 7. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Minus 3 plus minus 8 is minus 11. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we got the BC. So let us multiply A into BC. What is an A? A is 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. This is an A. Let us take the BC. 7, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 4, 0 minus 4, 2, 7 minus 2 minus 11, 8. This is the BC. Now let us multiply. If you multiply first row, first column, 1 into 1 is 1 into 7 is 7, 1 into 4 is 4, minus 1 into 7 is minus 7, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, minus 1 into minus 11 is plus 11. Then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 1 into 2 is 2, and minus 1 into 8 is minus 8. So let us go for the second row, first column. 2 into 7 is 14, 0 into 4 is 0, 3 into 7 is 21, 2 into 2 is 4, 0 into 0 is 0, 3 into 2 is minus 6, 2 into 3 is minus 6, 0 into minus 4 is 0, then 3 into minus 11 is minus 33, then 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 0 into 2 is 0, then 3 into 8 is 24. Then third row, first column, 3 into 7 is 21, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, and 2 into 7 is 14. Then third row, second column, 3 2s are 6, minus 1 into 0 is 0, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, then 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 is plus 4, 2 into minus 11 is minus 22, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 2 into 8 is 16. So let us simplify this one. Plus 7, minus 7 get cancelled, you are getting 4 here. 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 3, minus 4 is minus 7, minus 7 plus 11 means 4. So here minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1, plus 1 minus 7 is minus 7. Next, 14 plus 0 is 14, 14 plus 21 is 35. Then 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, minus 6 plus 0 is minus 6, minus into minus plus, the greater sign is minus, 6 plus 33 is 39. So then minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 24 is 22. Then 21 minus 4 is 17. 17 plus 14 is 31. Then 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 22 is minus 27. Then minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 16 is 11. So we got A into or A of BC. Let us consider as in 2. If you observe the 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 matrix are the same. Therefore from 1 and 2 we can say that AB into C is equal to A of BC. Okay, let us go for the next type of problem. Find A square minus 5A plus 6I if A is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. This is very important type of question. Let us try the given. A is 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. So he has given the a. Now we have to solve the equation. He has given the equation a square minus 5a plus 6i. So a square means you have to multiply, you have to take the a 2 times and you have to multiply the a. So let us take first a square. A square means a into a is called as an a square. Let us take the matrix A. 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. Then 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. So let us multiply, you will get a square. First row, first column, 2 into 2 is 4, 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Next, first row, second column, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 2 into 1 is 2, then 0 into 3 is 0, and 1 into 0 is 0. So second row, first column, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3. Then second row, second column, 2 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Then second row, third column, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 0 is 0. So let us go for the next one, third row, first column, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 0 into 1 is 0. So next 1 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 0 into minus 1 is 0. Then third row, third column, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 0 into 0 is 0. So then 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 2 plus 0 means 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, you are getting 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, so we got a square. So let us take the 5a. 5 is called as a scalar multiple multiplied with the matrix. Let us take the matrix 2 0 1 2 1 3, 5 minus 1 0. 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, this is 0, 5 into 0 is 0. We got the 5a. So now let us take the 6i. 6i. 6 is a scalar multiple, I is an identity matrix. So here a, so order of the A is 3 cross 3. So let us take the identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. Let us multiply with the scalar multiple. If you multiply 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So this is the 6i. So now let us substitute in the equation. What is the equation? A square minus 5a plus 6i is the equation. So let us write the a square. What is the value of a square? 5 minus 1, 2, then 9 minus 2, 5, then 0 minus 1, minus 2. This is the value of a square. So a square, then minus 5a. What is the value of 5a? 10 0 5, 10 5 15, 5 minus 5 0. Then what is the value of 6i? 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So let us add here first 5 minus 10. 5 subtract here. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Minus 1 plus minus 0 means minus 1. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 1 minus into minus plus. So minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. Minus 2 minus 0 means minus 2. So plus 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So now add this. 5 minus 6 minus 5 plus 6 means 1. Minus 1 plus 0 means minus 1. Here minus 3 plus 0 means minus 3. Minus 1 plus 0 means minus 1. Minus 7 plus 6 means minus 1. Minus 10 plus 0 means minus 10. Minus 5 plus 0 means minus 5. 4 plus 0 means 4. Minus 2 plus 6 means 4. So this is the a square minus 5a plus 6i. Take down the next problem. If a is equal to 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, 4 2 1, then show that a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to 0. So let us write the given. What he has given? He has given the A matrix. What is an A matrix? A matrix is of order 3 cross 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. So this is an A. So we have to show that. So a cube minus 23 into a minus 40 into I. I is nothing but the identity matrix is equal to 0. So now let us find the first value of a cube. A cube means, let us find first a square. A into a. A into a. So 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. So into 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. So let us multiply. You know how to multiply the two matrices. First row should be multiplied with first column. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 4, 12. So first row, first column. First row, second column. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 3 into 2, plus 6. Then first row, third column. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 into 1 is 3. So next, second row, first column. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. 1 into 4 is 4. Then second row, second column. 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. 1 into 2 is 2. Then second row, third column. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 1 into 1 is 1. So now let us go for the third row, first column. 4 into 1 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 is then third row, second column. 4 into 2 is 8. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. 1 into 2 is 2. Then third row, third column. 4 into 3 is 12. 2 into 1 is 2. Then 1 into 1 is 1. So if you add this 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 12 is 19. Then 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So we got the A square. Now let us find the A cube. A cube means let us take A square into A. So we got the value of A square. Then A square is 19, 4, 8, 1, 12, 8, 14, 6, 15 into A. What is an A? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. So this is an A. So now let us multiply this one. First row should be multiplied with first column. 19 into 1 is 19. 4 3s are 12. Then 8 4s are 32. So 19 into 1 is 19. 4 3s are 12. Then 8 4s are 32. Next, let us go for the first row and the second column. 19 2s are 38. And 4 2s are minus 8. 8 2s are 16. The next first row, third column. 19 3s are 57. 4 1s are 4. Then 8 1s are 8. Next, second row, first column. 1 into 1 is 1. 12 into 3 is 36. 8 into 4 is 32. Then second row, second column. 1 into 2 is 2. 12 into 2 is minus 24. 8 into 2 is 16. Then second row, third column. 1 into 3 is 3. 12 into 1 is 12. And 8 into 1 is 8. Then next, third row, first column. 14 into 1 is 14. 6 into 3 is 18. 15 4s are 60. Then 14 into third row, second column. 14 2s are 28. Then 6 2s are minus 12. 15 2s are 30. Then 14 into 3, 42. 14 3s are 42. 6 1s are 6. 15 1s are 15. So let us add this one. So here 19 plus 12 is 31. 31 plus 32 is 63. 38 minus 8 is 30. 30 plus 16 is 46. 57 plus 4 is 61. 61 plus 8 is 69. 1 plus 36 is 37. 37 plus 32 is 37. 69. 2 minus 24 is minus 22. Minus 22 minus 16 is 6. Minus 6. 15. 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 14 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 60 is 92. 28 minus 12 is 16. 16 plus 30 is 46. 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 plus 15 is 63. So this is the A cube we got. We got the A cube. Let us go for the 23a. So let us take 23 into a. So we know the a value. 23 is considered as a constant scalar multiple. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. So if you multiply with 23, so 23 into 1 is 23, 23 into 2 is 46, 23 into 3 is 69, 23 into 3 is 69, 23 into 2 is minus 46, 23 into 1 is 23, 23 into 4 is 92, 23 into 2 is 46, 23 into 1 is 23. So this is the 23a. So now let us take the 40i. 40 into I is nothing but the identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So if you multiply scalar multiple 40 with identity matrix 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. So this is the 40i we got. So now let us show that. Okay, let us take the equation. What is an equation? A cube minus 23a minus 40i. Okay, it should be 0. So let us take LHS. LHS is equal to a cube minus 23a minus 40i. If you substitute the values, what you'll get? What is the value of a cube? 63, 46, 69. Then 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63. So then minus 23. What is the 23a? 23, 46, then 69, 69, then 46, then 23, then 92, then 46, then 23, plus minus 40i, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. So we subtract this one. 63 minus 23 means 40. 46 minus 46, you are getting 0. 69 minus 69, 0. 69 minus 69, 0. Minus 6, minus into minus plus. So plus 40. Minus 6 plus 40 means 40. 23 minus 23 means 0. 92 minus 92 means 0. 46 minus 40 means 0. 63 minus 23 means 40. Minus 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. So we got the here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that is equal to 0, that is equal to RHS. So this is the problem, very important problem for 5 marks. Okay, take down the assignment problems. The first problem is show that 5 minus 1, 6, 7, 2, 1, 3, 4 is not equal to 2, 1, 3, 4. 5 minus 1, 6, 7. So here I have not given any operation here. So you have to multiply the both matrices. Then you have to prove that it should not equal to both the given matrices. If A is equal to 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3, prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I is equal to 0. The next problem is third one. If A is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, find A square minus 5A plus 7I. Fourth one, if A is equal to 2 minus 1, minus 1, 2, show that a square minus 4a plus 3i is equal to 0. Then fifth one, if a is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, find k so that a square is equal to k minus 2i. So these are the assignment questions.